In this video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on Microsoft Teams. So the first step is to join a meeting. So let's join this one. Now what we're going to have to do, so let me choose don't use audio and click on join now. Now here, what we're going to have to do is simply click on the share button. So click on share. And then here, we're going to have to give access to the app, to our screen. Now I'm going to deny this. And then here, as you can see, we have different options. So we can include the sound. Here we have presenter mode. So basically we have the content only, so only the screen. Then here we can turn on our camera and also have the content. And then here we have different layouts, and we can also add a background. So once you do that, you can simply choose which window you want to share screen, and that's it. Now people in the meeting can view your screen and yourself if they ask to. So basically that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.